Hey, psst, you, let me ask you a question. Does being bougie have to break the bank? No. That is why I'm here, honey, because my motto is bougie on a budget. I like nice things. There's no secret there. But what I'm not gonna do is live above my means. So use stuff and buy stuff that I cannot afford. Okay? That is why I like to do a lot of DIYs, right? So you make it yourself on a budget. Create the experience on a budget. And in this video, that is exactly what we're gonna talk about. I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn your bathroom in a luxury spa on a budget. Stay tuned. The first thing that you want to do is declutter. Have you ever walked into a spa and declutter? Oh, hell no. So a clear counter, a clear bathroom equals a clear mind. You know, when you go in your bathroom, you want to be able to relax. At least I do. My bathroom is my safe haven. It's my quiet space. It's my tranquility, if that makes sense. But yeah, so you just want to declutter. Less is more, okay? When you're trying to get that feeling of luxury, less is more. So even if you look in my bathroom, you're gonna see that I have a white shower curtain. It just make the bathroom light and bright and airy, and it just give a better vibe. It bring in that spa feeling, because you ain't gonna go in a spa and see the whole colorful rainforest shower curtains and whatever. But you get what I'm trying to say. When you use white colors, the light and hair colors, neutral colors, it just gives you that feeling of luxury. You know, it makes everything just feel light, hairy, clean, fresh. Use a lot of the neutral tone, and make sure that your space is decluttered. Squeeze toothpaste no more. That's a thing of the past, honey. Check out this toothpaste dispenser. If this ain't luxury, I don't know what is. I bought this toothpaste dispenser months ago from I moved here from Amazon for only like $6. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box if you're interested. But this toothpaste dispenser, you just put the toothpaste in the top, and every time you want toothpaste, you just push your brush inside there, boom, you get toothpaste. Bougie on a budget, okay? You don't have to be squeezing toothpaste no more. What you want to do is get a matching bathroom set. So that is like your soap dispenser, your toothbrush holder, the little soap dish or soap tray. Just make sure that it's a matching set. And as I say, stay away from the crazy colors. You know, if you want it to be like that spa vibe, spa feeling, try and stick to neutral color. So like obviously mine are black, which is another neutral color, which is just sleek. And then because most of my bathroom is white, then it just ties in nicely. And then on my wall right here, you can see that I have a little pop of color with the painting, which is green. So it just gives you luxury. Yeah. And as I said, it doesn't have to be expensive. I bought this set off of Amazon too. So everything that I talk about, I'll leave a link in the description box. But having a luxury lifestyle doesn't have to be expensive, especially when you do a lot of DIY, right? And when you search for bargains, whenever you're shopping, don't just grab the first thing you see. Make sure that you shop around and look for bargains. The next thing you want to do is get a little basket. On my shelf right here, this basket is a gold basket, and guess what? Can you guess where it's from? Dollar Tree. Yes. So I got this basket years ago from Dollar Tree, and it's just a gold basket, and I just rolled some washcloth and put it in there, white washcloth. I bought a pack of washcloth from Amazon again, and it's not expensive, and you just roll them and put it in there. That's just screaming spa vibe, you know, that little luxury feel, that little spa feel. Yes. And I just put it on this shelf that I also get from Amazon. I'll leave a link to everything in the description box if you're interested. But yeah, I bought this entire shelf system from Amazon, and the pack of white washcloth from Amazon. You just roll it, you put it in there. When I have guests over, they don't have to ask me for a washcloth. It's already right there in the bathroom at their disposal. So they can just pick up one. All I do is give them a fresh towel, boom, they can go have a bath. If you want to take off makeup off your face, you want to wash your face with a washcloth, you can just easily reach for one. And then at the end of when you're doing your laundry, you just pop them in the laundry. It's white, you don't have to worry about anything, you don't have to worry about, you just pop them in the laundry, give them some treatment, wash them in hot water with soap and bleach, boom, you have your nice white, bright white again. Easy to treat, easy to take care of. I love white. People say white is hard to take care of. I think white is the easiest thing to take care of because you don't have to think about it. It's just washing it and make sure it stays white and bright. You use bleach, not too much bleach, unless you're gonna make your clothes rot, but you just use bleach, your detergent, boom, you're done. I love white. White is just pure, fresh, clean. Also, you want to add a plant in the bathroom, a little greenery. Whether it's fake plant or real plant, it doesn't matter. It can be a vase with flowers, it doesn't matter. So whether you want it to be real or fake, it doesn't matter, but it's just gonna give you a sense again of that luxury feel, the spa vibe, you know. So in my bathroom I have 2 little flowers here, and these are fake from Amazon. These are fake greenery, but they look so good and it just elevate the space. Yes, honey, run yourself a bath with bubbles. Remember, we're going for this luxury spa feeling. So run yourself a bath with bubbles. What you want to do to get the most out of your bubble bath, pour your bubble bath in an empty tub, then you turn on the faucet. Make sure the water is running where you throw your bubble bath. The water is gonna mix it up, and that's how you're gonna get all the bubbles, as opposed to if you already fill your tub and then you throw the bubble in there, it ain't gonna do much, right? But if you put it in an empty tub and then turn on the water is gonna create that friction, and you're gonna have lots and lots of bubbles. Not only that, whenever you're doing a bubble bath, you can add some eucalyptus, Epsom salt. That's just gonna relax the muscles, and you can read a book. Don't forget the spa music, okay? So I have this waterproof speaker that I bought from Amazon. You can just put it on, turn it on in your bathroom, play some spa music, and just relax, relax, relax. Also, you can add some candles. Ooh, if you don't want to use candles, you can also use like a diffuser, so you can put in your essential oil, like your eucalyptus essential oil or your lavender essential oil, and you run a diffuser in the bathroom while you're having your bath. Did someone say luxury? Did someone say spa? Yes, honey. So those are just the simple ways you can elevate your bathroom, give it that luxury spa feeling by just adding a few simple stuff for only a couple dollars and some DIY. So as I say, being bougie does not have to break the bank. You just have to be smart about it, search for bargains, and just live your best life. You only have one life to live. Being bougie doesn't have to break the bank. Be bougie on a budget. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.